Welcome back to Reviews Inside TV, where we explore the latest and greatest in home technology. Today, we've got a cordless vacuum cleaner that's packed with powerful features designed to make your cleaning routine a breeze. It's the Whall Cordless Stick Vacuum, and with its 45,000 PA suction power, brushless motor, and LED display, it promises to be an all-in-one solution for your home cleaning needs. But does it live up to the hype? Let's take a closer look. The Whall Cordless Stick Vacuum is built for those who need a lightweight, agile cleaning solution for both carpets and hard floors. At its core, it features a brushless motor that spins at an impressive 88,000 RPM, delivering 45,000 PA of suction power. This means it can tackle dirt and debris, even in the most stubborn corners of your home. Whether you're sweeping up dust on hardwood or digging deep into carpet fibers, this vacuum claims to handle it all with ease. And while it's powerful, the design ensures that you're still getting an efficient clean without being bogged down by excessive weight. One of the standout features of this vacuum is its advanced HEPA filtration system. If you or anyone in your household suffers from allergies, this vacuum should be of particular interest. It captures particles as small as micron-level dust and allergens, helping to ensure that you're only releasing clean air back into your home. This filtration system, combined with its tangle-free brush, helps make cleaning faster and more effective, particularly in homes with pets. Speaking of pets, the vacuum features a V-shaped floor brush that prevents hair and debris from wrapping around the roller. If you've ever battled tangled hair in your vacuum, you know how frustrating that can be. The V-shaped design helps keep things moving smoothly, so you're not stopping mid-cleaning to deal with clogs. And the green LED lights on the brush head? They're a game changer, helping you spot dust and dirt in dark corners and under furniture. It's a thoughtful addition that makes sure you never miss a spot. The vacuum's smart LED display is another feature that stands out. This screen provides real-time monitoring of your cleaning session. In fact, showing everything from remaining battery life to the suction mode you're using. If the dust cup or filter gets clogged, the vacuum automatically pauses to protect the motor. It's a smart system that not only makes cleaning easier, but also helps extend the life of the vacuum. You'll never have to guess when it's time to clean the filter or charge the battery. It's all right there on the display. When it comes to battery life, this vacuum doesn't disappoint. You can expect up to 45 minutes of continuous runtime, depending on the suction mode you select. That's more than enough for most cleaning sessions, allowing you to tackle an entire home without needing to recharge. And when it's time to plug it in, the vacuum charges fully in about 4 to 5 hours. A wall mount charging dock is included, allowing for neat and tidy storage when the job is done. But let's talk real-world use. Setting up the Whall Cordless Stick Vacuum is a breeze. It's lightweight and easy to maneuver, making it ideal for quick cleanups. The swivel steering gives you full control over the vacuum, allowing you to glide it around furniture and into tight spaces. Whether you're cleaning pet hair from the couch or dusting off your hardwood floors, this vacuum moves with you, making every swipe count. Plus, the self-standing design means you can simply pause and set the vacuum down when you need a break. It's small details like this that make a big difference when you're cleaning for an extended period. Now, no vacuum is perfect, and while the Whall Cordless Stick Vacuum does deliver a solid performance, there are a few things to keep in mind. For one, the suction power is impressive, but it can drop slightly in high power modes as the battery runs low. While this is fairly typical for cordless vacuums, it's something to be aware of if you need that extra boost toward the end of a long cleaning session. Additionally, the vacuum does require regular maintenance, particularly when it comes to emptying the dust cup and cleaning the filter. It's not a hassle, but it's something that needs to be done to keep the vacuum in top shape. In terms of value, this vacuum offers solid performance at a reasonable price. Considering its powerful motor, effective filtration, and user-friendly features like the LED display and tangle-free brush, it's a great option for those who want an all-around cleaner without breaking the bank. Compared to other cordless vacuums on the market, the Whall Cordless Stick Vacuum holds its own. especially when you factor in the runtime and convenience features. If you're someone who's particularly concerned about hair tangles or dust in dark corners, this model gives you great value for what you're paying. Of course, you may be wondering how it stacks up against other vacuums in this category. Let's quickly compare it to a couple of similar models. First, there's the Dyson V8 Absolute, another popular cordless vacuum. Both offer strong suction power and HEPA filtration, but the Dyson V8 is a bit more expensive and may offer slightly better performance on thicker carpets. The Whall Cordless Stick Vacuum, on the other hand, has that handy LED display and self-standing design, which makes it a bit more convenient to use, especially in smaller spaces. Another option you might be considering is the Shark IZ462H Vertex Pro. While it's a bit more expensive, the Shark model offers a longer runtime in its high power mode and a slightly larger dustbin. However, it doesn't have the smart display or the V-shaped brush that prevents tangles, which could make the Whall vacuum a more attractive option for pet owners or those with a lot of hair to clean. In terms of build quality, the Whall Cordless Stick Vacuum feels sturdy and well-made, especially considering its price. The materials used in the construction feel solid, and the overall design is compact and lightweight without sacrificing durability. As for maintenance, the dust cup is easy to empty, and the filter is simple to clean. The brush roll is designed to handle pet hair, but if you have a lot of long hair in your home, you might find yourself needing to clear it out periodically. So, who is this vacuum really for? If you're looking for a cordless stick vacuum that can handle both carpets and hard floors, is lightweight and easy to store, the Whall Cordless Stick Vacuum is a great choice. It's especially useful for pet owners and those who want a vacuum that's easy to maneuver and clean under furniture. The HEPA filtration makes it a solid option for allergy sufferers too. If you have a larger home or thicker carpets, you might want to look at models with stronger suction or larger dust bins. But for most households, this vacuum hits the sweet spot between price and performance. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in picking up the Whall Cordless Stick Vacuum, you can find the link in the comments box. Feel free to ask any questions or share your thoughts if you already own one. Until next time, stay clean. And remember, you're always just a swipe away from a fresh start.